meet the unlimited e-bike system. The lightest, most compact, and efficient electric bike system in the world. Installation is a breeze with no messy wires. Just swap out your front wheel, install our patent-pending wireless pedal sensor, snap in your battery, and you're good to go. And fits on almost any bike in minutes. As simple and easy as riding a bike, only fun. Designed to give you superpowers at an incredibly affordable price. Go farther and faster than ever before. Arrive at your destination without breaking a sweat. Make more deliveries in less time, or get some help when carrying that special cargo. We've designed a minimalist system, so you can focus on what's really important. Just spin the pedal backwards to switch riding modes. The optional screen keeps your bike discreet while providing you with all the info you need. The Unlimited e-bike powertrain is a transformative system that adds tons of capability without complexity. We've rethought and integrated every single component to make it as light and efficient as possible, while providing power to tackle any hill and give you a range of 50 miles. To complete the package, a super lightweight motor makes this the lightest, most compact, and efficient electric bike system in the world.
Hi, we're the Unlimited team, and we want you to get out.
We mean outside. We're here to make commuting more fun, more accessible, and more environmentally friendly than ever.
A few years ago, we crowdfunded our first product, the Unlimited Electric Skateboard Kit. We then partnered with the best longboard brand in the world, Loaded Boards, and we've delivered to thousands of people around the world who are now riding our kits and surprising us every day with the awesome boards that they build. We have learned a ton since our first project, and we've built a dream team to bring you our new e-bike system. We are leveraging the technology and supply chain that we developed to electrify our skateboarding customers for over 2 years. But now we need your support. So choose the e-bike conversion kit that you like the most, or get our city-crushing complete e-bike and help us get it to production.
So leave your car at home and join the revolution. You end up finding excuses to commute even further.
We're more than excited to bring you the Unlimited e-bike. We can't wait to see what kind of rides you'll build with it.
A1 from Ebike. When you are driven by design and performance, when your curiosity takes you to uncharted paths, when your urge to stand out from the crowd leads you to new heights, when you don't settle for less than perfection, when you want to change the world by your actions. Let us change our world one ride at a time. Be the one to make it happen. A1 from Ebike. Let us take the road less traveled. With A1, we are offering you a bike designed in Denmark that is made to last. We've gone out of our way to find the perfect components to match our vision of a cutting-edge design. Your safety is of highest priority for us. That is why we've used air suspension, disc brakes, puncture-resistant tires, and many other high-quality components. We'd like to let you know that we've got your back. That is why we offer 2 years warranty for all vital components. A1 from Ebike. Let us take the lead together in urban mobility. We'd like to give you the freedom to ride into the wilderness, into the heart of your city, or where you want to go. A1 from Ebike. Join us and let us make it happen.
Hi, I'm Julie, and this is my brother Christian. We're the founders of Mate.
You might remember us from the first Mate campaign, where more than 7,000 of you supported our mission to make the coolest and best possible e-bike ever.
Your trust and support helped us to kickstart a biking revolution all over the world. Today, we're ready to push it even further, and you can be part of it.
After more than a year in development, we're finally ready to introduce the next generation of Mate. Mate X. It's bigger, tougher, more durable, and the most powerful Mate to date. The battery is longer lasting, the tires are wider, and the motor is more powerful. And we did all this without compromising its weight, maneuverability, or design. This Mate is a great excuse to get out of town. And with the new easy shifting gears, you can tackle any obstacles without breaking a sweat. Mate X has bigger, more rounded anti-puncture tires for better grip and better control. This gives you the freedom to go off limits, enjoy the scenery, and make your own fun. High-performance hydraulic disc brakes guarantee you'll always be in control. And in combination with the hydraulic full suspension, riding a Mate has never been smoother, even in the roughest of terrains. Whether you're into adventure, leisure, or just need a bike to get to work, Mate X guarantees a cool, safe, and unique riding experience. Let the bike do the work and cruise at 20 miles per hour for up to 80 miles on a single charge. And thanks to the built-in USB port, running out of juice will never be a problem. Mate X is still foldable, so it's easy to bring it along if you think you'll need it. And Mate X's longer-lasting battery with more volts and more powerful motor gives you acceleration and towing capacity to power your daily adventure. It's been an amazing journey so far, and we're just getting started. With Mate X, we can take it to the next level. Help us put this bike in production. The more we get funded, the better prices and better upgrades we can make to the existing bike.
And I can promise you one thing. We have learned from our first campaign, and we have assembled the best possible team from those experiences to get this bike out and about as fast as possible.
With Mate X, we want everyone to experience the feeling of ultimate freedom and to show the world that biking can be so much more. Join us, and together, let's make it happen.
We are Flit, and this is the Flit 16, a brand new generation of folding e-bike. The beauty of the Flit 16 starts with the frame. It's been engineered for high stiffness and incredible handling, and with the battery built in, you can't even tell it's electric. We've engineered a rear suspension system that takes the bumps out of the road. And with a rear hub motor, you'll feel the kick, but always be in control. Our journey began 3 years ago when I met my co-founder Alex. We both love the way that e-bikes allow people to explore their cities in ways that you can't by car. We wanted to take this idea even further by developing a folding e-bike. To build a folding e-bike that rides as well as it looks, we had to do things a little differently. We developed a custom lithium-ion battery pack and a completely new way of folding. With my background as an automotive engineer, I focused on the bike's geometry to give a comfortable but responsive ride, perfect for city journeys. We then built up a team around us to make our e-bike a reality. I worked closely with David to define our award-winning clean and simple design. Joe spent many long hours prototyping parts of the design to test and perfect it. A year ago, we started working with a specialist aluminium bike manufacturer to build rideable prototypes. With our final prototypes in hand, Alex and Gemma began to tell our story, organising test rides all across the UK. It's been great to hear the feedback from our first Flit riders.
When you start going, it gives you that kick, that acceleration. It's incredible. It's really cool. I really like it.
After 3 years of development, half a dozen grants and awards, and hundreds of test rides, we are ready to build our e-bike. Join us in the next chapter of our story, and together we'll bring the Flit 16 to life.
Scooter or dirt bike? You decide. Introducing the new Coburg Ranger. A unique crossbreed of a high-performance dirt bike and a functional city scooter. It's as fun as it is functional and as powerful as it is practical. Hit the dirt and the track. There's no compromise on the Ranger's versatility and no limit to its fun. The Ranger features Go Anywhere mode. Exclusive to Coburg, it's a combination of power, torque, lightness, and silence that you just won't find in another bike. It's a one-of-a-kind bike with a one-of-a-kind construction for a one-of-a-kind riding experience. With over 9 years in the making and 7,000 bikes behind us and sold in 43 countries, we're proven pioneers of the electric motorcycle industry. The bike is 100% handcrafted by our dedicated engineers in our own factory in Europe, using only 100% premium components for 100% quality. We don't settle for less than the best because we don't believe you should. The Ranger doesn't just play hard, it also works hard. From commuting to heavy lifting, it's a workhorse, suitable for all your needs, whatever your skill level. The only way we could think to launch this one-of-a-kind bike is with a one-of-a-kind deal. Exclusive to this Indiegogo campaign. Adventure is just around the corner. What are you waiting for?
Say I'm acting crazy, but I just wanna lie in the sun.